Hi everyone, it's Mara, and I know everybody who has a dog, here's a great trick for you when they come in with these muddy paws, is I just get a little pail of water and I stick their paw in the pail of water and rinse it off. Then rinse off the water, dry off the paw, and then I just move the bucket to the next paw, rinse that paw off, wring the water out, dry it off. This is Broody. He's pretty used to this because he's 10 years old and I've been doing this to him a long time. Now he's going to stand up for me so I can do his back paws. Wring it out, dry it off. Then I'm going to come back over here and do this paw. Rinse it off, wring it out, dry it off. Now he's good to go in the house. It's really simple. There you go, good boy.